Climax is there. Snap. And press. What's on stilts?
Ship.
What ship? Oh yeah, a bit of a ship on stilts.
Yeah.
What there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, ship on stilts. It's a ship on sticks.
Yeah.
Oh yes, yes, ship on sticks. Anything else on sticks? There's a coffee bar on sticks. Hi everybody. Hi Simon.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
See you next Tuesday then.
You certainly will.
Okay, bye bye then.
Bye.
I can use up all this video, then I've got my phone one, so I think we'll be alright there. Thank you very much. I like this, Bennett's Barges.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's his Bennett's Barges. No, Lenny Bennett. He's dead now, isn't he, Lenny Bennett?
He is.
Oh, blimey.
You know what killed him? He was worried about his barge all the time.
He was.
Yeah, well look, not doing a lot of business, are they? Thing is, you got to get there really quick, otherwise people barge out of the way. Oh, look, there's another chocolate. And look, coffee bar, that's coffee bar. And here we are at the O2 Centre. It's a hot sunny day, but it's not hot, but it's just bright. And we had to get the boat across the Mersey. Sorry, Barbara, indeed called it, but Simon's got that extra arm coming out of his head. Oh, poke me in the eye with a stick. It'll make sense, Simon, when you see that video. I have no idea what quality this video is going to come out like. Here we are in the O2 outside bit. There's a big thing going on. There was a big picture. Big screen. Ooh, in the O2 running. Here we are at the O2. Yes, it is the O2. Well, they've got Wurlitzers and Dodgems, and they've got a waltzer there, but nobody's on the waltzer. Look. Look at everything here. And we're on, concert starting in 5 minutes. Oh, we go. Oh, they've got build a bonfires and Starbucks and stuff like that. And fucking hell. Yes, look. It's Cliff Richard. Well, half of his head anyway. And Ronnie's wearing red tonight, not his usual black. And I've absolutely no idea what I'm talking about. Oh, it's gone all darky thing. Ooh. Woman with big arse. That's a woman with big arse. And one day that arse could be yours. One day this liberator could be yours. And there's loads of things on sticks. Look, there's some more sticks and some more sticks and loads more sticks. What it looks like in here. Bigger than a big thing. Oh, the audience there. Oh, they're turning up. Look, part 2. Not that I'll take a lot of video because I think all the good stuff was there. And here's Ronnie after being Ronnie-ised. Oh, look at the dirt on the lens. Oh, that's probably not going to help, is it? Look at that, it's 200 foot up in the air. There's people way up there. People way up there and all. Man.
And darker days are drawing near. Autumn's golden gown used to kick off away. You always always love this time of year. But the fallen leaves lie unleashed now. 'Cause you're not here. 'Cause you're not here. 'Cause you're not here. The little rain to fall softly on my weary ears,
Oh, we got leaves.
as if to hide a lonely tear. What's so bad about living underground, eh? It's not been so great living up here, if you want my opinion. To build a better future from the ashes of the past and brave a new world. We just
I stopped, staring towards the sound. It seemed as if that mighty desert of houses had found a voice for its fear.
the chances are empty.